they have to eat food that is natural. And by that, a lot of the meats that we eat, chickens and some, are fed a lot of food with hormones in them. Yes. Chemicals can make them bigger and fatter. So I will always say to all my ladies, think what your food has eaten before you eat it.
Because we don't know. That's the problem.
That is the big problem. So you don't know. So ideally if you want to have meat and chicken and that sort of thing, have grass-fed. Animals that are grass-fed, not with all the chemicals added. Think again about the milk that you're drinking, because milk comes from pregnant cows, and pregnant cows are fed estrogen. So again, there's a lot of estrogen in all the dairy products. So try to avoid those and go organic, or change it to a soya milk or a coconut milk and yogurt, because they're delicious as well. And then the other big thing to think about is what wrapping goes around the foodstuffs, especially in today's life when foods travel thousands of miles across the world. So that's also very important. And just also be aware of the chemicals that might be in your hair shampoos and the makeups that you're using, because all of them will contain something called extra estrogen, exogenous estrogen, and those will all interfere with your hormones. So you have to really have an overhaul of your whole body and what you're using and what you're actually ingesting. In terms of other supplements, for women, vitamin D is very, very important. But before you even start to look at supplements, we have to actually think, how is their gut behaving? What is happening to the microbiomes in the gut? Because if the gut is working inefficiently, it can't absorb any of the other supplements that we're giving them. So really, they're just wasting all of that. So certainly vitamin D is very good for a lot of hot flushes and menopausal symptoms. Black cohosh is also very good. Soya milk and soya food products are also very good. I like to try and keep everything as natural as possible on that supplementary side, because getting up in the sunshine, taking time off for yourself and just allowing yourself to relax a little bit will help reduce a lot of the extreme conditions that they're feeling.
So any particular type of vegetables that should women focus on? Cruciferous vegetables or something else? I mean, that's also something, right?
Yes, I mean, vegetables are very, very important for us, and absolutely the cruciferous ones. So we have broccoli and cauliflower, kale, spinach is amazing. Anything that's grown naturally from the ground up is very good for us. Yeah. So, and sweet potatoes, I don't know if you have them. We have sweet potatoes, which are very lovely. Squash is very good.
Yes.
That's very good for us as well. Pumpkin seeds. So a lot of the seeds that we would have, like flaxseed, linseed, and pumpkin seeds. Chia is also very good, because these got flavonoids in them, so they will help nourish the body as it's going through menopause.